Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to insert a picture to another picture in Gimp. It's really simple and easy. From the menu, select layer and then transparency and click add alpha channel. This will add transparency to this image. From the toolbox tool option. Select the free select tool and then carefully select around your image. Click again on your first point to complete the selection. From the menu, choose select, click invert, and on your keyboard press Ctrl X. This will delete the background, and now we can save this image by exporting it from the menu file board. As I will choose a PNG file, change the name, export. Now close this picture and open our second picture. So to insert the first image, we will go to the file, open as layer, and we have to select that image we just exported. Now we can scale the image by selecting the scale tool, clicking on the image, dragging across it. Then if we select the move tool, we can move it into the position wherever we are interested. And that's pretty much it. That's how you can insert a picture into another picture in Gimp. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.